A lot of my inspiration comes from comic books and science fiction, and part of the way that that plays out is in creating these sort of beyond perfect ideal bodies. And one of the ways that I do that is through corsetry. And so I'm always glad to be able to get all of my steel boning and my busks and coutil here to be able to really get that perfect foundation. So when I'm thinking about a costume, it's got to be completely head to toe, and that includes shoes. And I love being able to get the Angela's shoe paints, all these different colors that you can mix and match and put together to really be able to complete the look. Over here on the makeup side, one of my favorite things ever are the Mark Trainer Miracle Face and Neck Lift Tapes. The ways that you can subtly or dramatically alter somebody's face, making them look younger, more awake, more vibrant, are really magical. I wear them all the time. In fact, I'm wearing them right now. All right, thank you guys so much. I had a great time.